doubt, the best way to get leads in today's world in 2024 is having a solid database of clients and you actually sending them an email or a newsletter. So what are the kind of things that you can actually do right now to implement that? You can start by asking your friends, the people that around you that know what your business is all about, and you ask them for an email. Or you can actually have a lead magnet, or your current clients, you put them in a database. But the beauty about having an email or a newsletter that you consistently send out is to actually nurture, give more news, give more value, give things that you don't give on social media. That is like privileged information, and what you're doing is that you're warming them there. You are providing all this value, all this knowledge that you've been having in your service business that they can't get anywhere else. You can be the go-to person, the expert, where they actually get the news, get the information that they need about the industry where you work, or also the business that you're doing. Inside of your emails, when you have a solid and healthy database, you can actually, in time, obviously, give them a sale, provide them something, ask them to join your maybe membership or course or a service that you're doing, a promotion or a 2-for-1, anything that you want. It is very important that you start from scratch. Everybody that has a good database started with zero. So this is the thing. If you want to nurture, you want to get more leads, you want to get more sales into your business, you need to be consistent. You need to provide the things that they can't find anywhere else, and why you are the person that they hired. Because the people that are giving you that database is because they actually trust you. It's like exactly if somebody comes into your social media account and they want to, they want to see you, or they're coming here on YouTube and they want to, I want to subscribe. I want to see more about you because what you are giving me is giving me life. I feel that I agree with you. So that is something that I suggest that you start doing. And if you haven't been doing it, I truly believe that even your past clients, your past clients are the ones that will benefit the most. We neglect so much the people that we have worked in the past, and we actually have to take care of them right now. And even those past clients, that little email will say, oh, so they're doing this. Oh, maybe I should get on that. Oh, maybe I didn't know they were now doing, digital products. Or, oh, they have a great freebie that can actually work for my team. These are little things that you can actually implement that are not very hard, that they don't have to be that long. You just simply need to hook them with your subject. Don't clickbait them, thank you. But hook them with your subject, and then present everything in a nice kind of way, like a little bow, and always give them a call to action. People love to know where they have to go, where do they have to be, so they get on that action. And then simply ask them for a reply sometimes. Sometimes it's even better to get a reply and you simply reply and you continue the conversation, right? So this is the deal for today. I hope to see you next time. Bye.